Hi friends, welcome to HOPEX factory. We are a professional manufacturer of roll forming lines since 1996. Our factory covers 9,000 square meters with 5 modern production lines. Every machine is designed and assembled by our experienced engineering team.
Hello, this one is our cable tray product line. Hydraulic decoller and the raw materials. And this is the leveling part. This is a poaching, bread poaching machine. Okay, this one is a very personal forming machine.
HOPEX machines are exported to over 150 countries, especially in the Middle East, Saudi Arabia, UAE, Oman, Egypt, and Qatar. We offer efficient and reliable solutions for your business. Hello, everyone. If you are looking for a trusted cable tray production line partner, choose HOPEX. Contact us today. Let's build your success together.